Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the best universal rear seat upgrade that you can do to any of your vehicles possibly ever, forever. We're gonna figure out how to make your back seat more functional and how to improve your daily driving experience. So guys, this is a mess. There's stuff everywhere. When you're driving around, it rolls around, it slides around. When you need it, you can't find it. You want this stuff in a good place that you're gonna know exactly where it is, when you need it, right on time. The good news is that there's a great solution for this and it's gonna make your life easier. Now, I can't take credit for finding this. My girlfriend actually got this for me and it has turned out to be one of the best interior upgrades that I have. So you can see it folds up into a bag. You can open this up. Inside, it has a floor that goes flat. Once the floors are flat, it is a solid unit. If you only want one side, you can lift up one side, collapse it, and then buckle it, and so it'll stay like this if you don't have that much you need to carry around. Now on top of that, all of your stuff is kind of exposed back here, so it may look good to someone possibly breaking into cars or trying to make a quick buck. They actually have a lid for it, so when this is in your back seat, it's actually completely hidden. No, it just looks like it blends into the floor. There's pockets on all sides if you have little things that don't need to be floating around. Now the brand of this is 14. I'll put the link down below and that way y'all can check it out for yourself. Let's check out a before and after of this back seat. Check out how great this is. With that lid on, it's perfectly concealed, tucked away. You could have your valuables in here. This could not be a better solution for that. And it easily folds up, so as a way you can put it under your seat as soon as you don't need it. So guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Real short, real quick, but it's super effective to make your vehicle better. It's a universal upgrade that you can do that just works in any vehicle. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment what you think. If you have any other suggestions or things that you'd like checked out, let me know. All right, see you next time.